Hi and welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to create a Skrill account, verify it, the address and the account settings. In fact, everything you need to know to set up a Skrill account from scratch to finish. So make sure you stay tuned to the end of this video. Skrill is one of the online payment gateways that is mostly used by many people because PayPal is being restricted in some countries. As a result, many people tend to use Skrill as one of their online payment gateways. So I'm going to be creating a Skrill account from scratch to finish. So let's get started. Click on register. After you go to your browser and type in skrill.com. It will take you to their official website. Then you click on register as I've just done right now. When you click on register, you will come to this section where you have to fill in your first name, your last name, your country, the currency that you want to be working with, your email address and a password. I'm just going to go ahead and fill in that for someone because I already have a Skrill account. So I'm just going to create a Skrill account for someone from scratch to finish. So on this drop down list, select your country. I select my country here. Then I select the currency that I want to be using. I'm just going to select the United States dollars and I enter my password, write my email address on this section. After entering my email address, I will go ahead to enter a password on the password section below. A password that contains 8 characters, a letter and a symbol. So I'm just going to enter it straight away on this section. As you can see, then I click on register. When I click on register, it's going to open up to the next page. On this page you can see the main balance on my Skrill account. On top of the screen is $0 US, and you can see the name of the Skriller on the other side. I'm just going to go ahead and click on pay online. When you click on pay online, you have to complete this section, the registration process, which is you click on get started in order to complete your registration and enter my address on this section, which is obligatory. Is the second address that is optional. Then I enter my city on this box right here. After entering my city, I will enter my postal code as well as my date of birth and my telephone number. I click on next. When I click on next, they will send me a verification code which is 6 digits to my SMS. I'm just going to copy that verification code straight away on this section. Then I click on verify. They say verification complete. To keep your account secure, create a 6-digit PIN. So just enter any number here, a number that you know that you can remember on this section right here, in order to secure your Skrill account. So I'm just going to enter a 6 digit pin on this section and I click on save. It will take me to this section where I need to choose between a credit or a debit card to debit money into that card and pay a charge of $5 as a charge to the Skrill account that I'm creating. So I'm just going to select my credit card right here and I click on deposit now. When I click on deposit now, I'll enter my credit card number here, the expiring date and the CVV number. And after I'm done, I click on add card and continue. Then here I need to enter $5. I need to deposit $5 into my Skrill account in order to use it as charge. Then here you need to select that the money available is not to pay for not to make payment for gambling sites. I select no, then I click on continue. Then I click on confirm. Then an OTP code will be sent to you. So just copy it and fill it on this box. And after you are done, click on submit. When you click on submit, your deposit has been successful. Make sure that you have more than $5 on your card to deposit into your Skrill account. They say deposit successful. So the $5 has been deposited successfully into your Skrill account, which will be used as charges. So we are just going to go ahead to verify our Skrill account right away. I'm just going to go over to settings, or you click on verify account, is the same thing. When I click on account setting, I'm just going to scroll down and I click on verification. I click on verify to verify this Skrill account. Okay, here you need to verify your ID. I'm just going to go ahead to click on take and upload webcam photos. I'm just going to click on it straight away. When you click on it, you agree to the use of the facial recognition and biometric data. You need to tick this box straight away and you click on continue. So you are going to verify your ID on this section and you are going to select your country, in which my country has already been selected by default. So you are going to verify your ID, which may either be a passport, your driver's license, or your identity card. So I'm going to select identity card in my own case, but you can select passport or driver's license. Then you upload it from your device in which you are using to create the Skrill account, or you take a photo. So I'm just going to upload the file from this device, which is my desktop, and I select choose file. Remember, this is the facial part of the ID. As you can see, I will upload it here, then I upload the back section of the ID. As you can see, it's processing. It has uploaded. I confirm, then I choose on the back side. I still go to my desktop and I select the back side and I upload it as well. Then I confirm. So it's going to move on to facial verification. I'm just going to stop the recording from here because Skrill does not allow you to record your screen while making face verification. So you can do in your own part and we continue. So I've done the facial verification and it is analyzing the biometric data. So it is done. So I'm just going to go ahead now to verify my address. So I'm going to upload a document that has my name with the address in which I am verifying this Skrill account, and it may either be your utility bill, your bank statement, your retirement document. You can see the list from this drop down. You have bank statement, utility bill, credit card statement, school employment letter or enrollment letter, tax return form, council bill. So I'm going to select bank statement and I go ahead, I click on continue. After clicking on continue, I will have to go back to my desktop to upload this document as a proof, which has my location. So I'm just going to choose the file by clicking on choose file and I select the PDF from my machine and I upload it on this section. As you can see, it's uploading. So you can use your utility bill, your school enrollment receipt, or your tax return form that has your name and the address on it exactly as you have earlier entered. So as you can see, this is my bank statement that I've uploaded on this verification of address, and I click on continue and confirm. After I click on confirm, they say address submitted. They say we are currently experiencing a high demand of account verification. Delays of up to a few days may occur. We thank you in advance to. So after a few days, Skrill is going to send you a message that your account has been finally verified, because they have a large number of verifications that they do on a daily basis. They say your address details have been submitted and you are being reviewed. You will receive an email if you're complete once your verification is complete. So if you successfully go through this process, this is how your Skrill account will be created and you start using Skrill. So give me a thumbs up, subscribe to this channel for more content like this. Give me a thumbs up and share this video with someone.